Hi, welcome to the video 29 of our Adobe Premiere Pro beginners course. In this video, you're going to learn how to use motion controls to reposition and scale your video, followed by how to use the safe borders option to eliminate cropping of any of the lower thirds or text that you added in the video for different watching platforms. And also as a bonus, I'll show you how to do a slow zoom in effect with the help of adjustment layer. So let's get started. First, I'll show you how to use the safe borders option. After opening the Premiere Pro, this is the safe borders option, guys. If in case you are unable to find the option here, click on the plus button, and from here you can see just simply drag and drop it and click on OK. So now you can see the safe border. If you click on it, it will show you like this. So if you keep anything inside this first box, it is not at all affecting, it is not at all going to crop in any of the online platforms. Maybe anyone are watching mobile phone, TV, laptop, personal computer. If you keep anything inside this first box, it is not going to be affected. So this is all about the safe borders. Even for the short form content also, this is really going to be helpful. So I disable this. Now let's see how to do the reposition. For example, if you want to increase the scale or rotation, everything like that. In the starting of the videos, I already shown you in the FX control panel, we can increase or decrease the scale of a particular clip, even do the rotation as well. Since this is a time constraining process for each and every clip, let's say, as you can see here, I will show you. Let's say you are applying this effect to all these clips. If you want to manually do for each clip, that is a very time consuming process. For this, we have one option. It's called creating a adjustment layer. After you create the adjustment layer, drop on the top of all the clips. If in case you want to hide these lines on the top of the clip, click on the wrench icon and disable the show video keyframes. That's it. So now what you can do is go to the FX panel, then search for transform, drag and drop to the adjustment layer, not the video layer, adjustment layer. After that, go to the FX control. If you scroll down, you see this transform effect. With this, what you can do is, I'll show you for this clip as well. See, for example, if I did a zooming effect of 250 for this clip, if I move this clip, it's not actually 250. You can observe it here in the scale section. This is 250, this is 200. So I keep it also 200. If I use the adjustment layer and scroll down and choose the transform effect and increase the scale to 200%. I think it's too much. Let's make it as 110. Okay. Now it is affecting of all the clips that are lying under this adjustment layer. So this is how you can use the scaling. Not only that, even you can do the positioning, even the rotation, opacity, everything as you like. And I highly suggest you that disable this option, use composition shutter angle and increase the shutter speed to 180 degrees or even 360 degrees if in case you are doing quick transitions from one clip to another clip. For this clip, this is not at all needed, so I'm keeping it as 0. So now you learned about the how to do the reposition and everything with the help of the adjustment layer and also the safe borders. Now let's see how to make a slow zoom in effect for the video clip with the help of adjustment layer. Again, for this also transform effect is needed. Go to the first frame, enable the keyframe for position and scaling. Move little bit forward and add one more keyframe for both position and scale. Don't worry, we can move these keyframes anywhere as we like. If in case you messed up like this, just use the arrow keys to shift from one keyframe to another keyframe. Now what I do is I make it as 150. I even reposition it. After that, select all the keyframes, right click, choose the interpolation, then I make it as ease out. If you click on this side arrow key, you can see how these are affecting. It is slowly going to zoom in. Now if I play the clip, I'll make it just very short so that you can see the differences. See, the clip is slowly moving. I mean, the scale is increased. And if in case clips are very lengthy, you just move these end keyframes to the place where you want so that it maintains the timing. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. This is how you can use motion controls to reposition and scale the video, followed by the safe borders you learned, and how to make slow zoom in effect for any type of clips using the adjustment layer. So in the next lesson, you are going to learn how to use the wrap stabilizer for shaky footage. I mean, if in case you recorded a video with the help of handheld where a lot of shakes will be there, this option is going to be really useful. And I will also tell you some of the internal settings of that particular option so that you get quality output. Of course, After Effects has the best stabilizer, but Premiere Pro also has some best features. So stick with me. I'll catch you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to get notified instantly.